to another episode of What's for Dinner with me, Natasha Chelmy. Well, what's for dinner tonight in my kitchen? It's Asian tonight. I'm doing this one bowl meal from my book, Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. It's a teriyaki tofu or chicken, whatever your diet is, with a quick stir-fried fried rice, all put together and nicely presented in a bowl. First step, cut the veggies for the fried rice. I try to use rainbow colored veggies, so as many colors as I can get to get a nutritious meal. And yeah, leftovers, clean up your fridge. I have half a yellow pepper lying around, some already boiled broccoli from my kids' dinner last night. Just cleaning it all up. A fried rice is a great way to throw in whatever you have lying around. In Asian food, you usually use spring onions and not white onions. We use the white to cook in the beginning and the green for later. Quick peel with a peeler. It's important that you have good equipment in your kitchen to help you work more efficiently. And here's how you dice carrots. We want everything really small, just like the rice, in order to make it nice and easy to eat. Okay, so I've got a pan nice and hot on high heat, about 1 good tablespoon of vegetable oil or sesame oil. The good thing about Asian cooking is it's really quick. It's a quick stir fry on high heat, 5 minutes and your dish is done. In go the white of the onions along with some ginger, garlic and chilli to create a nice aromatic base. Another one of my hacks, I keep some peeled ginger in a container in the fridge and just grate it in directly into the pan. Whoops. Okay, there we go. And here's my jar of minced garlic, which I pre-prepare and keep in the fridge. So that goes into the pan as well. Some chili flakes. This is the base for any Asian stir-fried dish. Then you can add whatever you like. It could be noodles, it could be rice, it could be vegetables, chicken, fish, whatever. But once you have this base, half the battle is already won. We need to work fast. In go the veggies, and it all cooks directly in the pan. Water, so it all steams. So the idea of adding water in the pan and covering it is you steam the vegetables, which are raw, but everything happens directly in the pan to save yourself all the washing up and all the effort. I had some basil leaves lying handy, Thai basil leaves, which I'm just putting them inside. A good pinch of salt and another 30 seconds or so. Veggies are cooked halfway. Yeah, the thing with Asian food is you want your veggies to be crunchy and looking bright and not dull and mushy. Yeah, so make sure you have a good texture. In with some dark soya sauce and some light soya sauce. So I use a combination of dark and light to balance flavor and color. Yeah, if you use only dark, it's gonna get too dark, your food. But at the same time, you need some color. So use a balance of dark and light soya sauce. In with the broccoli. This was pre-cooked already, remember? So I'm just gonna toss that in. Now I had this rice already cooked from yesterday. This is actually leftover rice. So the thing with fried rice is it's actually best to use leftover rice. So make an extra batch of rice whenever you are making some and save yourself the time the next day. Always taste, taste and taste. That does taste good. Needs a little chili and maybe a squeeze of lime if you like. The rice is done. That was what, 10 minutes chopping, 10 minutes cooking time. And now I'm doing a quick teriyaki chicken or a tofu, as I said from my book. Make a sauce, chop the chicken, quick toss in the pan, all done. I'm using boneless chicken thighs here. I usually use chicken thighs for Asian food. 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour, a little water, and make a corn flour slurry. And over the chicken. So now teriyaki sauce is usually a combination of dark soya sauce and honey or brown sugar, but I'm adding a little touch of orange juice, yeah? So about 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Trust me, the orange juice makes a big difference. Hot pan, as always in Asian food, and about a tablespoon of oil. Make a flavorful base with ginger, chilli, and the remaining spring onions from the rice. Add in the chicken and get a nice color on high heat. Wow. So this is called pan searing, yeah? When you have high heat and you put in your meat or any protein and get a nice brown color on it. Super quick, super easy. The chicken is cooked, well browned, and in with the sauce. Look at that. The sauce is getting glossy and sticky, and I'm gonna add some orange zest. If you're looking for a stickier consistency, add the remaining corn flour. Wow, look at that gloss on the chicken. Gorgeous. Put the heat off and finish with some sesame seeds. Touch of green is always good. A final sprinkle of spring onions. Ta-da! 30 minutes and the rice is done and you have a gorgeous teriyaki chicken and dinner is ready. Now you can do the same thing with the paneer or the tofu. So you would pan sear your paneer cubes or your tofu cubes the same way. You can use fish, prawns, whatever you like. And there you go, you have a teriyaki dish ready. Time to plate up. I like serving these in bowls. So it's a whole meal in a bowl. And this is how we do it. Sauce, that's the best bit. How gorgeous is that? Straight out of a Chinese takeaway, but even better and even healthier. Perfect for the rainy season, the winter season, whichever part of the world you're in. Absolute comfort food. Now, nutrition-wise, you've got the protein from the chicken, which if you're vegetarian, you can do with tofu or paneer. And you've got all the vitamins with the vegetables, healthy carbs with some rice, and you're sorted. So good.